The process of producing the iron plates for electric fireplaces is characterized by meticulousness and precision, which ensures our products are aesthetic, secure, and sturdy. Firstly, we utilize dedicated molds to stamp the iron plates following predefined patterns. This step guarantees the shape and size of the plate strictly conform to the design blueprint and every detail is accurately handled. Next, using a highly precise bending machine, we bend the iron plates to fit the size and shape demands of the fireplace design, ensuring each component can perfectly match and form an efficient working structure. Subsequently, wielding professional welding equipment and techniques, we accurately connect the different parts. This step aims at ensuring a tight conjoining of the fireplace components, enhancing its appeal and also ensuring its safety, living up to our high-quality benchmarks. Lastly, we polish the iron plates. By polishing, we can remove burrs and rust from the surface of the plates, making them smooth and flawless. This step can satisfy the high-quality demands of electric fireplaces, ensuring each customer is satisfied. The entire production process is rigorous and thorough, striving to ensure product quality while preserving the complete expression of its artistic beauty. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.